There it is. Yes.
Here's my unboxing of the Veeniix V11MINI drone. Comes in at about 250 grams, which makes it an ultralight drone. It has a 4K UHD camera, brushless motors, and GPS. Overall, this is a great beginner drone and a good entry-level drone if you want to record anything. The drone comes with the remote control that can actually fold out and hold your phone, 2 intelligent flight batteries for extended flying, the camera cover, some spare propellers just in case you break anything, a USB charging cable, a screwdriver, and then of course the manuals. Also in the app that you download so you can fly the drone, you can create routes for the drone to follow as well as track you so that way you can use it hands-free. The controller allows you to tilt the camera angle up or down by the press of a button, as well as taking a photo or a video with just another press of the button. The drone comes with 3 modes. The default mode is normal mode, which is the first one, which allows you to ascend and descend for a maximum of 2 meters per second. The next mode is sports mode, which allows you to ascend at 3 meters per second, and the maximum descending speed is 1 meter per second. In a windy environment, this is actually the recommended one to use, just in case, so you don't get the wind to blow you away. The last mode is indoor mode, and this one you have to turn off the GPS, so that way you can fly inside. Make sure if you're going to record video though, that you do it with an SD card, so that way you're not losing out on resolution when you go to edit the footage later. It also has a return to home button, so that way if you lose track of it, it can come right back to you. To get started, you have to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi of the drone itself. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. The drone has the capabilities of auto takeoff and auto landing, making it great for beginners. When the battery's low, the drone will actually come back to home, so that way you don't have to go searching for it if it does lose power. There you have it. This is the Veeniix V11 mini drone. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.